Hello guys, welcome back to our channel, and in today's video, I will be showing you on how you could go ahead and change your email address inside your Amazon account right here. Now, let's just go ahead and say that you already have the right account signed in inside the application of Amazon inside your device. Now to go ahead and change the email address of your account, you just have to go ahead and click on the profile icon that we have right here, right beside our shopping cart and right beside the main menu. So let's just go ahead and click on the profile icon. Now to go ahead and change your email, you can just go ahead and click on your account, and inside your account, you will then be able to see all of the different settings that we have right here. You want to go ahead and look for login and security. Now inside login and security, you have your sensitive information right here. You have your name, email, your primary mobile number, your passkey and your password, and right below your name, you can just go ahead and see your email right here. So just go ahead and click on edit, and after clicking on edit, it will prompt you to this page where you could go ahead and change your email address. So guys, in that way, you will be able to change your email address inside your Amazon account. So if this video has been helpful for you, please consider by liking and subscribing. I will make sure to see you again next time. Thank you.